Learn English to Gujarati debate verbs. Refer to, suggest, imply in.
Gujarati.
Hello and welcome. Hey, you are in the right place if you want smart vocabulary without sounding like a sleepy dictionary. Today you will learn powerful English phrases in
Gujarati.
with a little humor, because your brain loves fun. Imagine you walk into a meeting with a notebook, a serious face, and absolutely no idea what is happening. Then suddenly someone says, please.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
The report. Another person wants to.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
A topic. A third person says we should.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
First. Now you are not confused. You are prepared. And possibly over-prepared, which is a beautiful problem. Your mission today. You are going to learn 8 useful phrases that make you sound thoughtful, sharp, and maybe slightly intimidating in meetings. The good kind of intimidating. Phrase 1. Refer to equals.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Phrase 2. To call something into question equals.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
Phrase 3. To put something up for debate equals.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
Phrase 4. To consider something equals.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
Phrase 5. To assume something is given equals.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
Phrase 6. To call something into question, in a shorter doubt-focused way equals.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Phrase 7. To suggest equals.
સૂચવવું.
Phrase 8. Imply something equals.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
A meeting gone gloriously wrong. Let's throw all the words into one dramatic little story. Do not worry, no actual business knowledge is required. You enter a meeting room carrying tea, confidence, and one biscuit that you hope nobody notices. The manager clears his throat and says, first, please.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
The earlier document. Raj immediately decides to.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
That everyone has read it. This is a mistake, because half the room is just smiling politely and thinking about lunch. Then Meena says, before we decide, we should.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
Very wise, very calm, suspiciously calm. Suddenly, someone in the back says the numbers do not look right. Now the whole team starts to.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
The plan. Another colleague starts to.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
The budget. The chairperson sighs and says, fine. Let us.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
The issue properly. Then your quiet friend finally raises one finger and decides to.
સૂચવવું.
A better solution. The manager smiles in a strange way that seems to.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
Possibly approval, possibly more work for everyone. Meetings are magical like that. Quick meaning drill. Now let's lock the meanings into your memory. You listen, smile, and maybe nod like a philosopher with snacks. If you mention a source, you.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
If new evidence creates doubt about a claim, you.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
It. If you place an issue before people so they can discuss it, you.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
It. If you pause and think carefully before deciding, you.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
If you accept something without checking, you.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
If you doubt something directly, you.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
If you offer an idea gently, you.
સૂચવવું.
If your words hint at something without saying it directly, they.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
Funny dialogues. Time for mini dialogues. These are short, useful, and only slightly more dramatic than real life. A. Should I mention the old report? B. Yes, please.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
It clearly. A. This result looks strange. B. Are you trying to?
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
The whole study? A. Let us decide immediately. B. Or, wild idea, we could.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
First. A. I thought the data was correct. B. You just.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
Didn't you? A. Do you trust his explanation? B. Honestly, I.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Want to start? A. We need options. B. I would like to.
સૂચવવું.
A simpler plan. A. Are you saying the boss is unhappy? B. No, but that email does.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
A. So what do we do with this controversial proposal? B. We.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
It, and then we all pretend this is fun. Memory tricks. Here is where your memory gets sneaky. Attach each phrase to a silly image, and suddenly your brain becomes a language hoarder. 4.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Imagine a parrot in glasses yelling, source. Source, every time someone speaks. 4.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
Picture a giant red question mark dropping onto a report. 4.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
Imagine placing a glowing file in the center of a table like it is a sacred pizza. 4.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
See yourself touching your chin and looking dramatically at the ceiling. 4.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
Imagine trusting a sealed box labeled, definitely correct, probably. 4.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Picture Sherlock Holmes frowning at a sandwich. 4.
સૂચવવું.
Imagine gently raising one finger with a light bulb over your head. 4.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
Imagine someone speaking in mysterious half-sentences while dramatic music plays for no reason. Challenge round. Your turn now. I will give you a situation, and you think of the right Gujarati phrase. You mention a document. Which phrase fits?
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
You openly place a topic before the group to discuss.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
You stop before deciding and think carefully.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
You accept a fact without checking it.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
New evidence makes the whole claim doubtful.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
You personally start doubting the claim.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
You offer a helpful idea.
સૂચવવું.
You hint at something without saying it directly.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
Speak like a thoughtful human. Let's put the phrases into natural English lines so you can actually use them. Fancy words are only useful if they leave the textbook alive. Please.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
The earlier report in your answer. These new facts.
કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી.
The old conclusion. We should.
ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું.
This proposal before voting. Let us.
કંઈક વિચારવું.
Before we answer. Do not.
આપેલું માની લેવું.
Everything you hear. I do not want to.
કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Your honesty, but this story is strange. May I?
સૂચવવું.
Another approach? His tone seemed to.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
That he already knew the answer. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned vocabulary for meetings, debates, doubt, and smart conversation without falling asleep, which is honestly impressive. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Gujarati phrases out loud.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો. કોઈ વસ્તુને પ્રશ્નચિહ્ન હેઠળ લાવવી. ચર્ચા માટે રજૂ કરવું. કંઈક વિચારવું. આપેલું માની લેવું. કોઈક વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી. સૂચવવું.
And.
કંઈક સૂચવવું.
Come back, repeat them, use them in real sentences, and trust your progress. You are doing great.